Good morning. Let me tell you a story of resilience and a proof that age doesn't matter. At the age of 65, there was a man who used to live by Social Security checks. He lived in a tiny house and was driving a very distressed car. At the age of 65, he decided to change his life and do something that he was passionate about all of his life. At the age of 65, he decided to change his life, starting with something that he considered his life passion, and that was a chicken recipe. First, he got so many compliments from his neighbors and friends about how delicious that chicken recipe is. So he took his car and toured the whole United States, requesting from restaurants to accept his recipe on a small percentage for him. He heard the no reply 1,000 times, but he never gave up, despite the fact that he was at the age of 65. So Harlan Sanders, at the age of 65, told the restaurant owners that he would give his recipe for free, provided that they give him a small percentage of the sales. Unfortunately, most of restaurant owners gave him the no reply for that kind of offer. Mr. Harlan Sanders never gave up until he heard the yes reply. And the rest is the story of KFC, one of the most successful restaurants in the world. The takeaway of the story is very simple. Never give up, even if you heard the no reply 1,000 times. Have a lovely, productive, and resilient day today. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.